So here is how you can create playlists on the VLC media player on Android. Let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So obviously you need to have the VLC app installed just like I do, right? And you need to get inside and start browsing the video. So if I go to the video section at the bottom, I can see a couple of different things. One video is right there, and above it I can also see the playlist, right? But a lot of people might want to go in here and try to create a new one, right? Which doesn't really work. The only way you can create a playlist is by turning a video into one or creating it from the video itself. So as you can see, I have found one video file in here, and I can tap on the three dots or expand it, right? Tap the three dots next to it, and I have the ability to create a playlist like this, right? So it should be, yeah, it is here, added to the playlist, and this is how I can create a new one. So let me give it an example name so we can know what it is. And I'm going to tap on create. You can see that it contains this media, and I'm going to click on save like this. So if I come back and switch to the playlist, it is right here, an example one, and you would be able to obviously like reorganize stuff and so on if you add multiple things into the list, right? So it's not as straightforward as I would expect it to be, but that's just how it works. If anything changes, just like all the time, I'll make an updated video about it. But for now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.